Here's the finished look. I teach you how to do the hair. I teach you how to pick your clothes. And I do a full demonstration on the make. It's one of the more full-on looks of the series. If you want to learn how to do this, then keep watching the video. And if not, I don't blame ya. Switching to this camera now. Hopefully it's not too much of a discrepancy in quality. And, good. So for the hair, I just put my hair in a low ponytail. Normally I would do 2 braids, but I only have 3 hair ties on me, and the other 2 have to go on the wig. So, unless you already have pink hair, you'll probably be using a wig for this look. So, put your hair in a low pony or 2 braids, and get a wig cap. I'm pulling out my horror wig. If you want to know how this wig got to this state, I'll link a video. This video will be linked in the description. A good wig for this look would be the Rhapsody wigs by Gothic Lolita Wigs. Not sponsored, but boy howdy, would that be nice. I'm just plopping this Lazy Town looking wig on. I'll probably just leave the bangs side swept instead of trying to style them to her style. Little ears. So, take some hair, just a little bit of hair. I need to comb this out. Yuck. Take a hair tie, or a clear elastic would be ideal, or you can just make some ears. Skip this step altogether. Or buy some, probably even. Loop it around twice. And on this 3rd loop, I'll do the little like a bun. And your next step would be to put on some hand sanitizer or wash your hands and then put in contacts. She has black eyes. I don't have black contacts, but I have pink ones that make my eyes look a little bit darker. So I'm just gonna put in these. These are Snowy Pink by Honeycolor. I forgot I haven't worn these contacts in a really long time, and they're also about 2 years old now, and I have cried. That's just one of my massive ass teardrops. I don't know why I cry so large of a tear, but those are the contacts. They're in. Alright, so I've taken off the wig because I realize it's going to get in the way. How I start off any old look that I'm putting things on my face with. Some primer. I use Avon Senses Body Care, Mary Joy Pink Velvet Cupcake Body Lotion to prime my face. It just kind of blurs my pores a little bit without filling them too much. Please use any primer that you like and that works for you. Go in with just tracing out where there won't be white face paint and then doing the rest. Product to use It's the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil-Milk. Apricot! The NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil-Milk, but any white crayon will work. Even a pink one will work, since what we're tracing out is the blush. Oh, that's really uneven. Whoops. Alright, I'm gonna fill in the rest with Snazaroo-White. This is called Classic White, I think. No, it's just called White. Cream paint, or like some kind of waxy white paint will be best, because it's more like pigmented, but aqua paint will do the job. You just have to work in layers. So I'm gonna do a layer with a brush and then a layer smoothing it out with a sponge. Looking kind of spooky right now, but we're gonna go in with some more wet and just kind of try and make it more pigmented so it looks less streaky and weird. Alright, I guess we'll just move on to the blush now. So, oh no, I got paint on my phone. I got paint on my phone. Paint on my phone. I just keep getting more on there. This brush. And we'll try this, because it looks like it goes on a lot sheerer than it looks like in the pan. So we'll try and fill in that little spot. Oh, that looks kind of dark. I'm going to start with this lightest pink in the BH Cosmetics Taking Back to Brazil palette. This is a theme for this series, just because this has every single color in it, like. Nose, and since she has like a llama nose, I'll try and like do some contour-y kind of stuff. There. Her nose is brown. This brown here is kind of like an orangey tone brown, but it's like, it's brown. Alright, oh my god, I'm itchy. I'm gonna go in with this Studio M Studio M Registered Professional palette. I have no idea what this is. Going with one of these brown shades. I guess I'll go in with this dark one, this lightest, the second darkest brown on the side here, and use this really tiny brush to make sure that I stay within the lines of the nose I created, because I really like this shape that I created. Alright, so I left a little spot of the original color to create a little bit of a highlight, and next for the nose, I'm gonna go in with this same pink and do a contour. That looks really harsh on camera. It doesn't look that bad in person. Alright, actually it kind of does look that bad in person. Next, I was thinking of doing the eyes more pink than just black like she has, but might just do black. Palette has it all, so I'm gonna use the black in this, and I'll use it on this brush. Alright, the Rockalash lashes in number 10 Chicago, because she just has those two long lashes, so that would be perfect for this, or any lash in that like same style. I'm gonna use mascara, my favorite mascara, on only the outer lashes. So this is my Sumptuous Extreme Estee Lauder Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara in number 1 Extreme Black. I'm going to just do a double winged liner. Alright, you can kind of see they're just two very thin lines of a double liner. Is the Cheer Bear lipstick from the Care Bears collection from Hot Topic. You can see my review on that, link in the description. We're just gonna put this lipstick on